Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys ready for episode 2 of our big old stack of vintage Crochet World magazines? We are going to flip through one more, or not one more, but another one today. And I am just going to reach in the box and grab one. Oh, I grabbed two. And this one again has the cover on there, so not only is it a surprise to you, it's a surprise to me what we're going to be looking at. So... woo, that's pretty. +25 patterns. Just looking, I don't see a year or a date at the back. No. Well, dang it. Well, this says free 1991 calendar. So I'm going to say it's probably the 90 or 91. Anyhow, let's just go ahead and get into it. Aww. Afghan and pillow patterns for real crochet lovers. Easy to do in just single crochet and double crochet. See the hearts and the diamond? That's pretty. Table of contents. Oh, here we go. Summer of 1991. So the table of contents, we got toys, threads, home and holiday, cool sweater, Afghan, and more bizarre items. There is a royal wedding dress. Holy cow. Let me find the picture. It says on page 8. Ooh. Says the invitation has toys. The invitations have been sent, the bridesmaids chosen, and the perfect gown selected. Now her special day is here, and she glows with anticipation as she walks down the aisle to meet her Prince Charming. He, of course, is handsome in his romantic and dashing dress naval uniform. What a splendid tableau for any little girl to play out with her dolls as she fantasizes about her own special wedding day. I remember having Ken dolls that looked like that. So there's that. Look what's coming in the next issue. Feel like we've seen this. I like that garland. So here is a better picture of her dress. More pattern. Here's Ken. What is this? Crocheted Prayer by Talilith Wackenkoss. It was just a tiny country church built with logs and love, with giant trees around the door and blue sky up above. But the chapel's grand and rustic wall was graced with the snowy white of an ancient crocheted prayer of lace that scattered truth and light. I looked at the million stitches, all made in long ago, and I thought of the love that made them and the faith that helped them grow, and my soul was filled with peace and grace because of that ancient prayer of lace. That's cute. I feel a sneeze coming. Oh. Those are cute. pigtail pals. Aww. It's the pattern. We know our crocheting grandmas would love to teach their grandkids to crochet. Help them make these storybook 3 pigs and bad wolf finger puppets and tiny turtle pencil holder. Look at that! That is cute. Of course the wolf and pigs are too, but... Ooh, that's pretty. Both of them. I love that over that base. And then the colors match the flowers. And then that doily. The doily says, pretty threads. Pretty swirls are the focus in this small swirled doily. A lovely table accent piece. And then the vase cover, crochet a vase. Ours is almost 7 inches tall, is easy and filled with artificial flowers and brighten up any table. Oh, I didn't even realize those were fake. Oh. I don't think that's something I could ever pull off. Fresh as the posies after a summer shower. That's how you'll feel wearing this feminine flower collar. I felt like shower was gonna rhyme with collar. So I got the pattern and the pattern. Ooh, there's some bags. Tote bags. I'm actually working on one. Not one of these, I mean I'm designing a tote bag. They look like beach bags. These delightful tote bags are indispensable with launching a vacation. We offer just the right size to hold your vacation crochet project, your hooks, your pattern, and whatever else you need for leisure time needlework. Ooh. Says home and holidays. The lure of the Southwest is evident in these southwestern pot holders: coyote, steer, cactus, and Indian tile. They're crocheted from 100% cotton yarn. That's the coyote. Chips and salsa look good too. So on the other side we have home and holidays. Washable cotton yarn and contrasting colors combines attractively into this round pot holder and hot mat. Oh, that's cute. Fuzzy, stop. Fuzzy. My cat's rubbing his face on my stand. So we got pattern, 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 pattern. Ooh, look at this. Our summer light white sweater is crocheted from sport yarn. Size 12 to 16 are offered for this stylish fashion. I'd probably just go ahead and finish the sleeves. There's that. I love the pose. And those earrings. Look at those earrings. If you guys notice, I keep looking at my phones because I keep getting notifications. Like I've gotten a whole bunch of them. Okay, so there's that. Here is I guess you can say an ad for an Irish crochet heirloom christening set. $4.95 plus $1 for shipping and handling. I don't know if I can show it. You may not be able to see the picture very well. That's really pretty, from what I can tell. Oh, oh, he's cute. Look at his little face. It says boys Class A vest. For those cool summer days, slip our boys Class A vest on your little guy for protection against chills. That's adorable. Oh, we got some Afghans. It says, here's a nifty vacation project that can be made at any size desired from remnant yarn. Choose vibrant colors or a blend of colors. Our necktie Afghan is made with vibrant colors that will beckon your toddler's desire to snuggle. I remember when mine was a toddler, was not having it at all. While on vacation, crochet our chair throw, easily made from 4-ply yarn. It's a nice lightweight summer Afghan project. What on earth is sitting on the Afghan? I love the colors of it, but what is that thing? Just looking at the Afghan, it almost looks like it is made with an Afghan hook. Oh, here's the Afghan that was on the cover. Easy to use Karen Dawn Saley 4-ply yarn was the material of choice in this light and pretty summer garden Afghan. Love the colors of that. Here we have pattern, pattern, pattern. Oh, it's not. I thought for sure that this Afghan, this one, was used with an Afghan hook, but it's not. A 5mm crochet hook. Interesting. Ooh, here is a bizarre item. Bizarre shoppers love doll clothes. Me too. You'll make their day when you offer them this ribbon trim gown, which is accompanied by a matching hat. That's pretty. Besides being some of the nicest people, crocheters are givers. Christmas and other seasonal bazaar tables are loaded with the bounty from our crochet hooks. We think you'll discover lots of creative ideas in our bazaar section. That's cute. This is nice. There's some slippers. Can't read that. Great sellers at the bazaar. Slipper socks. Make plenty of these quick and easy favorites in a variety of colors. And then we have this baby set. The Afghan stitch is all that's needed to crochet our 3-piece Afghan stitch baby set. Traditional best sellers at bazaars. So I wonder if that's using an Afghan hook. Isn't that what an Afghan stitch is? Using the Afghan hook? Yep, Afghan crochet hook, size 4. Wow, that's neato. So it's made using the long crochet hook. Like they're like that long. That's cool. Then we have a stitch guide. Oh, did this one not come with the doll? Oh, I don't think it did. Dang it. Well, that's okay. Remember the first one we looked at had the... Oh, okay. This one doesn't have it because it's a season special. Whereas the other one was this is a summer special. Whereas the other one was just an actual Crochet World magazine. See, this one has the summer special. So it doesn't have the doll. It doesn't have the doll or the potpourri section or... Well, dang it. Well, that's alright. What are we, 16 minutes? It's going to be a short one. Well, dang it. I guess now that I know that, I'll make sure to maybe do 2 of these in a video and then another one. Well, look at the back. Look at the back of this one. "9.5" musical bed doll patterns. Is this gonna be something else that I look up on Etsy or eBay? I think I might. I think I might have to look that up on eBay. Okay, so this is going to be a short one. So that is episode 2. Thank you guys so very much for watching. You guys are the greatest, you know that. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys thought of everything that was in there. And I also want to tell you guys, if you hit the bell button after you subscribe to me, it's going to give you, I think there's 3 options. If you click all, that way you get a notification for everything that I do, like the posts, the video posts, and if I answer or reply to a comment or anything, you'll get notified for it. Because I know sometimes people don't hit that all button and then they don't get a notification when I answer their comment they leave or anything like that. But that's it. That's all from me for today. I will see you guys next Thursday for... I don't know yet. We'll see. Bye, guys.